Okay, so we are starting out by priming our eyelids with the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime. And we are just going to take that and use a blender brush to go ahead and blend that primer in. And next, you guys, we are taking this chocolatey brown shade from the Crayon Case New Rule palette, and we are going to be blending that all into our crease area to act as our transition shade. And then, because I want this to be a soft, subtle, neutral look, I am going into the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette and taking that contour shade just to deepen the outer V of my eye. And of course, I gotta go back in to that chocolatey brown shade and just blend it in a little bit more, just to take away any of the harsh lines that I've created, and also to blend that outer V shade in with the crease. And you guys, since I've started doing cut creases, since I've got a hang of them, I just can't seem to stop doing them. So you guys, I'm using the Juvia's Place Eye Prep Eye Prime eye primer to go ahead and cut my crease. And y'all, I'm gonna shut up right now and sit back and let y'all see how I'm doing this cut crease look. And now that our crease is cut, I'm going into this peachy nude shade is what I want to call it, because it's giving me a little bit of a peach with the nude that it's giving, if that makes sense, y'all. And I'm placing this all into the area of where I cut my crease. This is going to be a matte neutral cut crease that you can wear every day. I don't know what made me think of doing this, but y'all, I love it. And then of course you gotta go back in with that shade that was used in the outer V and just blend it, just to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything. And then I'm taking this LA Colors liquid eyeliner, and I am just gonna give myself an old nasty wing. Y'all know I love a good winged eyeliner, and that is exactly what I'm about to do. And usually, y'all, I don't even put mascara on my top lashes, but lately my lashes have just been needing a little bit of extra help. Like, I don't know what they've been doing, but they haven't been giving what they're supposed to be giving. And y'all, I can't get away from these Kiss lashes. These are the lashes that I'm gonna be wearing today. I just can't seem to stay away from it. Y'all, the reason why I'm looking crazy right here is because I started out by placing concealer on my face before I even placed down my primer. And no, we don't do that, baby. But the concealer that I'm using today is that NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop concealer. And yes, y'all, this is the concealer where you need to blend it as soon as you place it down, or else it is going to dry. And once it dry, baby, you ain't going to be able to get the thing to budge. So I am placing the concealer and blending it out immediately after I place it down. I gotta add some definition to this face, So I'm taking my black Opal foundation stick and I am just going in and sculpting out these cheeks, chiseling them up, snatching this face. And y'all, I knew the day would come because I've been wearing this foundation so much, but I didn't think that it would come so soon, y'all. I am running out of my favorite foundation ever. Y'all, just look at my face. Let's take a moment of silence for that foundation because y'all, while I'm getting over the fact that I'm running out of my favorite foundation, you guys, let's go ahead and let's set the concealer. And we, of course, are using the Crayon Case Chalk Dust Setting Powder. I don't use any other setting powder to set my highlight, y'all. And then, of course, we have to set our entire face. And I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder to just go ahead and set everything in place. Now we're going to go ahead and we are going to bring some shape and definition back to our nose. I had to put that extra oomph on my face contour, so I'm going to go ahead and use this Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette to go ahead and contour my cheeks a little bit more. We are going to keep it simple today by using the Crayon Case Honor Roll highlighter, and we are going to place that on the tip of our nose, the bridge of our nose, and on the high points of our cheeks. Y'all, today I am lining my lips with the KVD lip pencil, and it is in the shade Crucifix. And you guys, this brown shade is so pretty. Like, just look at it. Whew, so pretty. And then I am going in with the Crayon Case Clean Kisses lip gloss, and I am placing that all on my lips to go ahead and give myself a nude lip. Y'all know I live for a nude lip. And this is one of those nude lip combos. And then just to give myself a little extra gloss, I'm placing this Wet n Wild clear gloss on top, y'all. And here is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. Like I said, it's soft, easy, natural, perfect for everyday wear. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe.